So,
Right.
this is Aurel. She's my cousin. She's studying in uni in Indonesia, and she has a task, right? Some kind of assignment that she needs to interview a foreigners. So, since I don't have that many of foreigner friends, I contacted you guys. Okay, that is
Okay. Okay.
okay. And then this is Kavia, the guy in the red shirt. Is my old coworker in my previous company. We used to work together in Shopback. And then this is Glenn, also another intern. Like he's also my colleague in the company. Yeah. So Kavia is from NTU, third year, same as me, and Glenn is a second year student. Yes. So I guess
Yes.
then you can take it from here. I'll just mute myself.
Belajar bahasa mungkin sering dibayangkan sebagai sesuatu yang serius dan penuh aturan. Namun, pada sesi pipa kali ini, saya mencoba memperkenalkan bahasa Indonesia melalui cara yang lebih ringan, dimulai dari sesuatu yang dekat dengan kehidupan sehari-hari, yaitu makan.
Well, in here, we're going decoding Indonesian cuisine, a delicious journey through Indonesian food for Singapore students. Well, before I start this presentation, have you ever been trying Indonesian food?
Uh,
For
he once in my life is. I just had gado because I'm a vegetarian.
Oh,
Hmm.
gado-gado. I love gado-gado too. If you come into Yogyakarta, you should try gado-gado. It's my favorite. We're moving into the next slide. Okay, in here, there's a things we will learn. The first one is, do you know Indonesian food? And the second one is Indonesia culinary diversity. And the next one is a play game. And the next is how to order food and drink. And the last one is the example of basic conversation. Indonesia has more than 17,000 islands, each with its own distinct culture, resulting in an extraordinary culinary diversity. And in here, every region has its own unique characteristic with different spices and cooking method.
Kegiatan diawali dengan sesi perkenalan singkat untuk membangun suasana yang lebih nyaman, kemudian dilanjutkan dengan pengenalan beberapa makanan khas Indonesia seperti rendang, sate, soto, dan nasi goreng, serta membahas sedikit tentang keberagaman kuliner Indonesia.
So, the most popular food in Indonesia is rendang. It is from West Sumatra. Rendang is a beef dish cooked in the coconut milk with a variety of spices. Rendang is known as one of the world's most delicious dishes. It is originated from West Sumatra and is famous for its savory, spicy, and rich flavor. And the next food is satay or satay. It is probably in Java, and satay is a piece of meat skewered and grilled over charcoal, served with a peanut sauce or soy sauce. Satay is one of the most popular dishes in Indonesia. Madura satay and Padang satay are the most famous varieties. And the next is soto. This is basically this food in all region in Indonesia. Even my cousin Salman has the dishes too. It's called like soto Betawi. Soto is a
Hmm.
traditional Indonesian soup that varies by region. Chicken soto, Betawi soto, and Lamongan soto are just a few examples. This dish is typically served with a thick broth and chicken or a beef. And the next one is nasi goreng. Have you ever
Hmm.
tried nasi goreng?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, Kavia, you did.
All right. Nasi goreng is become a national menu in Indonesia because it is simple yet and really popular. It is consists of fried rice with soy sauce, garlic, chili, topped with egg, chicken,
Hmm.
or shrimp. And it is a comfort food for many Indonesians in here.
Agar sesi terasa lebih hidup dan tidak hanya satu arah, peserta diajak untuk mengikuti permainan mystery box dan predicting Indonesian food melalui petunjuk sederhana dan fun fact seputar makanan Indonesia.
Okay, in here we're going to play a game. All right. In here, there will be rules for you to know the answer of the inside the mystery box. All right. Okay, in here, there is a rules how to play. The first one, I will give you clues one by one, and then guess the Indonesian food, and type your answer or in a chat, or you can unmute and shout it out, and then the faster is the better. Round one. Okay, the clue number one is it is made from a rice. And Indonesian people love eating this at night. Okay, and the clue number three, usually cooked with the egg, garlic, shallot, and sweet soy sauce. And the last clue is it's fried in a pan. So yummy. What kind of food?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah,
Yay.
betul. Great job, great job, great job. It's correct.
Yes.
The answer is nasi goreng. Okay,
Yay.
in here there's a fun fact about nasi goreng. Nasi goreng is simply means fried rice. It has many variations and everyone has their favorites. Okay, round number two. Are you ready, guys?
Yep.
Okay, let go. Okay, clue number one. It has many vegetables. Clue number two. It is served with the delicious peanut sauce. And the next, clue number three. It can have tofu or tempeh. Tempeh, it is kind of like the fermentation of the soybean. Like this one. This is tempeh and this is tofu. And egg. And many more. And it is vegetarian friendly. Could you guess what the food is?
Sate.
Tofu.
No.
No.
Gado,
Coffee ya?
gado.
Yeah! Correct, gado.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. Gado. How to spell gado, guys? From Glenn first. How? spell?
Gado.
Gidio.
Yes.
Gado.
Gado.
Okay.
Yeah.
Questions. Can I have
Okay.
questions?
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but there's not so many vegetarian food right in Indonesia.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know any apart from gado. But yeah, that's my question. Is it true? Like, do you know any other vegetarian food?
Not
The
really.
reason why.
I think not really, because in the city where I live now, there is a same like a gado, but it's called lotek. You can search it in the Google. It's called lotek. It's similarly like a gado, but there's a lot of green veggies in there like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, gado. This is the fun fact. Gado means mix in Indonesian. All the ingredients are mixed together and topped with the peanut sauce. Okay, you just need to predict this Indonesian food. Okay, the data show that there is a skewers, grilled sweet peanut sauce, and very popular street food. What Indonesian food is this? Could you answer? What is it?
Sate.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, it is a satay. Popular food made from grilled meat on a stick, usually eaten with a peanut sauce. Key ingredients is chicken, beef, lamb, peanut sauce, and soy sauce. Okay, the next one is really appetizing at the night. Indonesian favorite when they're
Dessert. Yeah, dessert.
watching movies or gathering together with family. All of the family order this dessert.
Mm.
Okay, this dessert is
Yes.
dessert, pancake and chocolate and cheese topping above the food and very dangerous at midnight. Could you answer what this dishes?
No.
No clue.
Okay, this is it's kind of like a pancake, but it is not
Mm.
because the topping is like you eating a burger. Like the
Oh.
Mm.
mazes and the
Yeah.
cheese is on the middle. So this is
Mm.
the pancake, the toppings, and the pancake. It is called martabak manis or sweet
Oh.
martabak. It's a popular
Mm.
Indonesian thick pancake dessert filled with the sweet toppings and folded in half before serving. The key ingredients is flour, butter, eggs, sugar, butter, chocolate sprinkle, cheese, peanuts, and condensed milk. It is very, very sweet. If you didn't like sweet, it's
Mm.
maybe too sweet for you.
Yes.
Yes.
Setelah itu, peserta belajar ungkapan dasar dalam bahasa Indonesia yang dapat digunakan saat memesan makanan dan minuman, dilengkapi dengan tips sederhana, serta role play agar pengalaman belajar terasa lebih nyata dan dekat.
Okay.
And here we're going to learn how to order food and drink in Indonesia. Okay, in here, there is a basic conversation that you might try if you one day comes to the Jakarta or maybe to Bandung
Mm.
or maybe to Yogyakarta and you feel hungry, don't know what to do, looking out there, there is something delicious. You probably can use these tips if one day you come into Indonesia. So, final example of how to order. Could you do the role play, guys? Who's want
Okay.
to be
Yes,
the
yes.
girl and who's want to be the waiter?
Glenn will be the one who order it.
Okay,
Okay.
Kavio will be
Okay.
okay.
the waiter.
Waiter. Okay.
Lego,
Yeah,
Lego.
because he's ordering non-vegetarian food. You can't have that, right?
Yeah.
So saya mau pesan
Nah, good, good.
Mau pesan apa?
saya mau sata dan gado-gado.
Mau minum juga?
Iya, saya mau es teh.
Baik, ditunggu ya.
Terima kasih.
That's cool. You look like a native Indonesian native actually. So perfect on how you pronounce it. Salman, would you try with me?
What do you mean?
I wanted to give a correction on how to pronounce A in sate. It is not a sata, but sate. Te, cat, stay.
Oh, sate. Okay.
Yeah, like that. Sate. And then
Yes.
Yes.
for the iced tea, which means es teh, we probably like a teh. There is an H in and
Teh.
yeah, like that.
Mm.
Teh.
Okay,
Like
okay.
that. Okay. But overall, from the saya mau pesan until the terima kasih, it's good, good, good. Nice. Well done, guys. Okay. As we can see, Indonesian cuisine reflects the cultural and natural richness of Indonesia. With rich spices and simple cooking style, each part of Indonesia offers delicious food that people remember.
Sebagai penutup, saya menyiapkan final mystery box yang berisi sertifikat partisipasi online sebagai bentuk apresiasi atas keterlibatan peserta selama kegiatan berlangsung.
Okay, in here we're going into the final mystery box, and yeah, guys, I want to scan this barcode and know what is it inside of it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Melalui sesi ini, saya menyadari bahwa mengenalkan bahasa tidak selalu harus dimulai dari teori yang rumit. Kadang, rasa penasaran, obrolan kecil, dan tawa sederhana justru menjadi cara yang paling hangat untuk memperkenalkan Indonesia. Akhir kata, saya ucapkan terima kasih kepada Ibu Salsabila Sofia Rahma, SPD MPD, atas bimbingan dan kesempatan yang telah diberikan selama proses kegiatan ini berlangsung. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.